Welcome back to JSD Vlogs. Mga ka-JSD, we got a really interesting comment on one of our videos, and guess what? It's in French. The comment says, Est-ce que vous avez d'autres tutoriels en AJAX sans jQuery? Si oui, pouvez-vous me donner un lieu? Now, for those of us who don't speak French, this roughly translates to, do you have other tutorials on AJAX without jQuery? If yes, could you give me a link? First of all, thank you so much for the comment. We love hearing from viewers around the world. And yes, we totally get the request. Not everyone wants to use jQuery anymore, and that's fair. So in response to this comment, we've decided to create a brand new tutorial using pure JavaScript, no jQuery at all. Just modern JS the way browsers love it today. Coming up next on the channel, how to use the Fetch API for AJAX, how to send data to PHP without jQuery, and how to update your page dynamically with zero libraries. To our French viewer, merci beaucoup pour votre commentaire. Thank you very much for your comment. Stay tuned. We're doing this just for you and for everyone who wants to level up their JavaScript game without relying on jQuery. And to everyone else watching, if you have a request or comment, don't be shy. Drop it below. You might just inspire our next tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another web development tutorial. Today we're gonna learn how to use AJAX, specifically the Fetch API in JavaScript, to dynamically load content from different PHP pages without refreshing the entire website. Let's walk through a simple working example together. HTML structure. First, let's look at the basic structure of our HTML file. We have a drop-down menu that allows users to choose a page to load, either page 1 or page 2, and a button that triggers the loading of the selected page. Choose a page. Page 1, load page. When we click the button, it calls the load selected page function, modal loading indicator. Next, we have a simple modal that appears while the AJAX request is in progress, loading. This is hidden by default using CSS, and we toggle its visibility using JavaScript. JavaScript functions. Now, let's explore the JavaScript that makes this all work. 1. Open modal 3 and close modal 3. These functions simply show or hide the loading modal. Function open. Modal lower 3. Document get element by at modal 3 dot style. Display equals block. CEO function close. Modal 3 document get element bid modal 3 out style. Display equal none. 2. Load selected a page. This function gets the selected option from the dropdown. Function load selected page. Const select else document get element by idle page select. Const selected value else select value. If a selected value alert, please select the page first. Return a const data 1 selected value. P14 bars form data 1. If a page is selected, it sends the page name, like page 1 but function, which handles the actual AJAX request. AJAX logic with fetch API function. Then data is close modal kept document get element by the page results. Inner HTML equals data. The dot catch error is closed video chase. Here's what this function does. Shows the loading modal uses fetch to send a request to the selected PHP file. If successful, it injects the response content into the hash page results div. If there's an error, it shows an alert dialog for the dialog function, optional function, P14 parse get dialog PI title message extra alert. This is a helper function to display alerts in case of errors. Where to place PHP files. PHP and page2.php are located in the same directory as your HTML file, or update the paths accordingly. Each PHP file should output HTML content. And that's it. You've now created a basic AJAX-powered menu using JavaScript and PHP. No page refresh, smooth user experience, easy to expand for larger applications. If you learned here something new today, feel free to apply it to your own projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.